guys, it's beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I came up with this look. Didn't really have a plan. It just kind of took over by itself. So yeah, if you want to see me just play around with some makeup and create this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting out with SUGARPILL's Cubby liquid lipstick, and I'm taking that on a SUGARPILL lip brush. And I'm holding my brush up in this very weird position. And I'm going to be drawing an oval out from the lash line. Does that make sense? Instead of like a winged out type crease, you're rounding it. And then I'm just taking a dual fiber blending brush. This one's from ColourPop. Quite like this one. And diffusing the edges before it dries down completely. Just going over this area. This took me so long to fix that area. Now I'm taking SUGARPILL's Suburbia eyeshadow, and I'm like placing this on the inner crease area, just kind of like, you know, there. Now I'm taking SUGARPILL's Buttercupcake, what is this called? Buttercupcake. And I'm placing it there in the inner brow area, doing some blending. I'm just taking SUGARPILL's Suburbia again, and I am placing it there. Now I'm taking SUGARPILL's Dollipop eyeshadow, and I'm going to be like deepening up this area of the eye, just like adding some depth and dimension. Then I'm going to be taking SUGARPILL's Poison Plum eyeshadow, and I'm deepening up this outer part of the eye. Now I'm taking the MILANI Luster Light eyeshadow topper, and I'm picking that up on a paintbrush, and I am putting this on my lid and kind of in my crease. If you can see, I'm just kind of like patting it on in the area that I want it. And I kind of want to diffuse it outwards. Like, I don't want this to be super heavy as it goes over. So I'm like applying it on the front half and then taking whatever's left on my brush and like tapping that over the outer half. Does that make sense? Then I'm taking SUVA Beauty's Aztec hydra liner, and I'm taking that on one of their super tiny liner brushes. This is either the 610 or the 620. And I'm going to be outlining this oval shape. I'm taking this about up to like the, I don't even know how to explain this area. Taking it up this far, cleaning that up with a bit of concealer. And then I'm taking SUVA Beauty's Fuchsia Fever hydro liner, and I am going to be ombreing the liner. So I'm taking this up higher and around the oval more. Like this part, like it just took me forever, and I kept going back and like changing it and fixing it, and because I wanted the shape to be really even on both sides, which it still wasn't because my eyes aren't even. My face isn't even, so I think I just went back and messed with it a little bit too much. So don't be like me. Do it and let it just be. Then I'm taking Kat Von D's Love Liner Pencil, and I'm placing this on the outer half of my waterline and lower lash line. Then I'm taking KVD Smiths Liner Pencil. That's going on the inner waterline and lower lash line. And I'm smudging out the liners. And then I'm going to take the shadows I used above. So what did I use? Poison Plum, Dollipop, and Suburbia eyeshadows. Placing Buttercupcake on the inner whatever corner. And then I'm placing that MILANI eye toppers on the inner corner as well. Alright, for lashes, I stacked the House of Lashes Iconics and the SUGARPILL's Angel Baby lashes. I just wanted that like purple peeking out from underneath. So I thought it would be really cool to stack these ones on top of each other. Like that. And this is the finished eye look. Alright, so this is the completed look. I need to go do my hair now. On my lips, I'm wearing the Pop Beauty with Megs Cahill. This is the style Pale Baby. It's so pretty and it smells good and it feels really smooth on my lips. Alright, so if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.